Oh man, I would have loved to have gone down there on this. Yes, people, welcome back. Yes, a quick one today. We're out and about, and I'm just going to here to see if we can test out the spoke wheel to see what it's like after I've changed it all. So let's go. Hey, it's not too bad moving it around a bit, even with that little bit heavier front wheel. Still fine. Whee! Hoi, hoi, hoi! Bop, 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 bop. Ah, right. Let's see if we can get this fucking thing home. But yeah, I just wanted to come out because I've had that front wheel fitted. Well, I finally got it all set up with the spindle and everything. It was a fair bit heavier, and you can feel it in the weight, you know, like when you're just moving the wheel, picking it up. So when I did that little short, the stock wheel with the Rosso, everything standard, with the stock spindle was about 10.3 kilos. That's with the tyre and air and stuff. And the Scrambler hub SM Pro built wheel with the off-road knobbly tyres and a tube and a custom spindle and a custom spacer was 14.3 kilos. So it was literally 4 kilos heavier. That's not scientific because, like I said, it's got the tyre and everything on it, and I didn't have a proper chance to weigh it side by side because I never really had one off and the other off and side by side, because taking them to tyre places and shit like that. But ever since I've had it done, I just wanted to go out on a ride to see if it I didn't want it to do all this for the looks, because gotta admit, it looks fucking wicked. Don't get bored of that. And I didn't want it to impact any of the, well, I was hoping it didn't impact any of the ride, so that's what I'm out here just having a little blast. Fucking January, it's freezing cold. It's like 1 degree 0. So if you hear me sniffing, it's not fucking doing cocaine when I'm riding. I'm actually trying to keep the snot from running down my mouth into my moustache. But yeah, what is it? Does it feel alright? It might. Even just moving it around in the garage, you know, like just obviously manoeuvring it around in and out your garage on the drive and stuff, still feels okay, still feels a bit light and nimble. I need a little bit of effort at the beginning, but once you're rolling, it's all right. And you know, just initial impressions, just riding like this, I don't feel like I've got something different on the front end of it. Let's get ahead of this fucking knob. Fucking grandma. So in that sense, I'm pleased, because 4 kilos, which is what I think 8 and a bit pounds for you Americans, you know, additional rotational mass weight. So also, you know, when the front is travelling, suspension, all that stuff, push the drive. Has it got enough guts to get it going and stuff? Well, has it? Let's have a look. Don't get bored of that. Fucking goes fine. Yes, pops and bangs. Woo! Bloody love this bike. Way, a bit of back end wheel spilling. Whoa, let's go. Wow, the faster I go, the colder I get. Fucking heated grips are on full. Woo! Hey, my little sat-nav thing's working brilliantly. I love this little Akuki thing. Fucking quality. You know what to do, there's a link in the description if you want one of these. They're fucking great, man. I might even get another one for the fucking 950. So was it worth all the fucking hassle getting that spoke wheel set up? Man, it took ages. Cost a fair bit as well, but I would say 100% yes, man. The fucking bike looks great with it. I absolutely love it, man. Fucking great. It's like you could compromise a little bit on the weight because it's a light enough bike, and I guess there's always weight savings you can do elsewhere. You know, I'll save a bit of weight off the sprocket, etc, etc. You know, saved a bit of weight off the stylema. I could probably get an aluminium spindle done to save a bit more weight. But fucking great, man. It's just fucking Baltic freezing. Woo! Oh. Wow! Pop some bangs! Go on, Austin Racing! Fucking great. Alright, let's try this back road. Pop, 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 pop. And yes, I'm still running that crazy fuel dongle from Shift Tech. Still showing minus 19 on the dash. And it is probably about fucking minus 5 out there today. So there's still a lot of, well, there's still a lot of chatter about whether that thing's doing anything. Okay? But it definitely is. When you ride it, it fucking definitely is. The closed loop, slow, just sitting on the gas, holding it, it's so much easier. It's just easier to ride, and it doesn't yaw and stuff so much as well on the throttle. And when you're in the like accelerating phase, it's using the open loop, it's normal. It's not making any difference. Wow, fuck it out, man. I swear those getting louder. The knobbly tires are great. I love these NT60s. I've got this tyre pressure monitor sensor on here as well, so I can always keep an eye on that. Stealth mirrors, fucking great. I mean, I can see, look, perfectly out of that. And it's always just a quick nod. Hey, look, bikers are out. Woohoo! Get in. A little nod of the head. Brave boys. I bet they ain't got heated grips on those fucking things. Oh, yes. But even so, little bit of low speed manoeuvring, you don't notice the, you don't notice the weight, the transfer, the balance. I mean, even just doing this on the bike, it still feels fine with the weight, with the additional weight on the front. So yeah, would I do this all again? Yes, I would. I wish I had some sort of a, you know, I wish I had a bit of, let's wake people up. I wish I had a bit of more dealer connections or people that I could use the dealership with parts and stuff, so that I could try and do some more testing around the Desert X hub, because I think that's the better option to have on the front. But who gives a shit, man? I've got it working. And I suppose the additional advantage is that these spokes, because I got them from a scrambler, they'd work on a scrambler. So I could take these wheels off and sell them. They'd work on a 698 and they'd work on a scrambler too. So, you know what? Win-win, mate. Win-win. Yeah, just a bit weird on that fucking coolant hose that's come loose. Considering I haven't really ridden the bike and anything, it's weird how that would have come loose. Strange. I didn't have a screwdriver, so I had to use the fucking bit of my key as much as I could to tighten it, so hence this should just be a short little blast, short little ride. A bit of traffic up front, fucking great. Give me a chance to fucking warm up a bit, put my hands around the engine. He can't make his mind up, fucking idiots. Look at these lot, they're going to block the junction now, aren't they? And then they're going to block it so that I can't fucking get past. Oh, you're fucking clever, ain't you? Well done, fucking idiot. Blocking the junction. Some people got no fucking road etiquette sense, you know. Dumb fuckers. Fuck that. I ain't waiting for them. My bloody hands are freezing. Definitely don't notice it. Still got the grunt, still got the power, still got the go. Still sounds great. Still a fucking cracking bike. Just need to before you ride it these days, boys and girls, just fucking give it a once quick over. It's definitely it's a good job I fucking stopped, really, wasn't it? You know, do the old little Instagram to get some pictures done, and I thought, what the fuck's that? And it was literally every time I touched it, it was just fucking coming out with water. So there's the odd little things to check, I guess. Still a fucking new bike, isn't it? So it's going to vibrate and rattle to shit. But that's just a rubber hose on a clamp, so you'd think that should have been alright. Wake the fucking neighbours up. Jesus Christ. Oh, the fucking inside of my visor's steaming up. Maybe that's not such a good thing going on full blast. And I've got a potential coolant leak. I mean, I know I can't test fucking MotoGP style going around corners because it's cold and it's wet. And I got the little knobbly off-road tyres on, but I'm not feeling anything different. So it's all positive. That means I've got two sets of wheels now. I've got this I'm just going to leave on the bike all the time, so I'm going to ride it all year round, even in the summer with these spokes, because they just look good. And then I'm going to do a lot more track days this year, so I've got the stock wheels with the Rosso 4s, and I'm going to use that for track days, so I can just flip them on and off. Maybe get some slicks at some points, depending on what my lap times are and what my skill sets level on this is. But yeah, that's what I'm looking forward to most in 2025 is get some track days done on this thing, and need to do some more work on the bike. We get some more track prep, get some more parts. Might get some more Ducati parts and get some protection set up. I need some handlebar protectors. I need some engine guards. I really love a set of GB Racing ones. And I wonder if, with this being a 1299 Panigale engine, I wonder if the engine guards and the gearbox casing and stuff from a 1299 would fit on this, because they pretty much look the same. I'd probably have to reach out to GB Racing, but you know, they'd just say, we don't know, you'd have to have the bike, sort of thing. So yeah, still a lot more stuff to do on this. Have you seen those posts of someone doing the suspension on the 698 when they just had it serviced after about, I think they've done about 10,000 kilometers in the US, and it's come out like murky, like brown murky shit water, like really thick as fuck. And that's after 10,000. It's not even supposed to be like that. Now I'm having my SP forks done after 10,000 miles on my Olins. I'm going to go and pick them up next week. I'm going to go and chat to the guy, and he's going to, you know, show me how you rebuild one, etc, etc. So that'll be interesting just to see what they're like at 10 compared to what they were on the 698. So I know that's a lot of problem with these kind of bikes when it's OEM. A lot of the OEM stuff that they put on the bikes, like the clutch and the brake, you should always try and change it, because you don't know how long it's been sitting there. So the brake one I've done myself, because obviously I changed the caliper. Clutch, I might have an eye on it when I do if I get the clear clutch cover from Ducati. There's still a lot to do. Still a great bike. Still loving all the support for you guys and the community and the Facebook groups. Just keep letting people do what they want to do on these bikes, man, because that's how the community grows, by everyone experimenting, everyone pissing about, and everyone playing around with things, fitting different things, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work. That's how we all learn, and that's how we all grow. It'd be if more of you could actually If more of you could actually do some filming, that would be even better. Instead of just posts, because, you know, you've all got fucking mobile phones. You don't have to be fucking Steven Spielberg style Star Wars quality. Just whip your phone out, fucking record it, and smack it on YouTube as a short. Job done. I always keep doing that. I keep fucking missing. I think I just got, because I got these little touring comfy boots on, there's not a lot of it's not raised and thick where my toe is. I need to pay a bit more attention to the shift and give it a bit of a extra whack. Bit of travel. Got some indicator on. Whoa, fucking hell, bruv. It's gonna stop or what? Wait. Fucking hell, I bet the GoPro's fucking freezing its off as well. Even in this weather, the fucking batteries don't last that long. Proper cold. Right, hopefully that'll still have some fluid left in the engine coolant. But yeah, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, following the channel, supporting the channel. Hopefully we'll get some more content out on both bikes. But yeah, man, all the best. Hopefully everyone has a fucking wicked 2025. Let's go.